India is called land of diversity because India is home to many people with different religions, cultures, races, traditions, different languages, different food, clothing, music, and so on. Of all the places in India, I have shortlisted top 5 places which I consider worth visiting for. So the first one is Kerala. Kerala is a place of tropical beauty. It is the southwestern state of India and is located between Arabian Sea and Western Ghats. And the best time to visit Kerala is during September to March, when the weather is pleasant. Palm trees, white sand beaches, and ecotourism are all big reasons why you should explore the region. Kerala is famous for the backwaters of Alippi, elegant houseboats, and temple festivals. Thekkady is a tiger preserve where you can enjoy Kerala's natural beauty of flora and fauna without crowds. Munnar in Kerala is famous for tea gardens. Jungle walks is the most popular activity that you can do along with elephant rides at the Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary. The Kerala Kathakali Center is one of the most famous places to witness Kathakali dance performance, which display incredible color, makeup, and costume. The hub of Kerala is the city of Kochi, where you can see local fishing industry as well as modern and colonial architecture. Kochi is diverse both ethnically and religiously. And in a single day, you can explore a Jewish synagogue, a Dutch palace, the Portuguese Palipuram fort, and the Hindu Trikakara temple. So when you are in Kerala, you simply cannot miss the aromatic Kerala food that is served traditionally on banana leaves, or experiencing a rustic day in a tree house. Next is Goa. On the western coast of India is Goa, a former Portugal colony that blends both Indian culture with colonial influences, and plenty of international tourism. Known within India as the go-to destination for those seeking a great beach holiday. And the best time to visit is from mid-November to mid-February, since the weather is pleasantly cool and comfortable. The busiest and most popular of all is Condolim Beach, where travelers from around the world flock to soak up the sun. Anjuna Beach, by contrast, is far less crowded. It is also an amazing place where you can walk to Chapora Fort. Palolem is considered one of the most beautiful beaches in all of Goa. And for those seeking for peace and quiet, isolated Agonda Beach is a good choice. While Kalangut Beach is by far the most commercial and crowded. And Goa is widely loved by adventurers and recreational activities are plentiful for those eager for some fun in the sun. In the northernmost India is the mountainous destination of Ladakh, located in the Kashmir region. Leh Ladakh is one of the must visit destinations in India for nature lovers and people seeking peace and serenity away from the busy city lives. Months from April to mid May remain the peak season for Ladakh tourism. It is a distance of 2200 kilometers that you have to cover in order to reach Ladakh via Delhi. The journey requires stopovers and you need to have a good skills of bike riding. This region is large but it has a low population density and a number of nomadic residents. Breathtaking, pristine scenery is a major draw to the area. But virtually all travelers will also spend some time in the town of Leh, and the town is located at a very high elevation and is also home to the 17th century palace of King of Ladakh. Buddhist culture is also prominent in Leh, and you may wish to explore some of the many Buddhist monasteries and temples in the old town. Next is Delhi, the bustling capital of India. It makes for one of the perfect travel destinations in India. And the best time to visit Delhi is from October to March when the weather is at its best. Delhi is a city of heritage monuments, teeming bazaars, and mouth-watering street food, reminding you of its rich past to the modern high-end malls, shopping complexes, and luxury hotels and restaurants. Delhi is for sure a true amalgamation of age-old cultures and present-day's modernization. Chandni Chowk is one of the oldest market in Old Delhi, quite famous for its wholesale market and lip-smacking charts. Sarojini Nagar is famous for clothes shopping, decorative item shopping. It is a place where you can get fashionable clothes at affordable prices. Delhi Heart is famous for craft and ethnic products from all over the country. Popular items that you can buy include bags, cushion covers, embroidered and woven fabrics, wood carvings, shoes, carpets and rugs, saris and other ethnic wear, leather items, jewelry and paintings. The Humayun's Tomb is located in Old Delhi. It's an heritage walk through the awe-inspiring Mughal architectural masterpiece. Qutub Minar is a victory tower. It is also UNESCO's World Heritage Site. A lovely experience of relishing on some tasty cuisines sitting at the Lakeside Cafe in the posh Hose Khas village. Connaught Place is one of the main financial, commercial and business centers in New Delhi, and it is often abbreviated as CP. You can also enjoy a musical Bollywood night or a picnic time at the iconic India Gate. And the list of must-do things in Delhi has no end. Northwest India is where you will find the state of Rajasthan, which borders Pakistan and is home to the Thar Desert. Rajasthan is famous for jewelry and gemstones, paintings, carpets, pottery, puppets, fabric work, metal work, spices, and sweets. The period between the months of November to February is the best time to visit Rajasthan as summers are very hot and during winters temperature come down to the bottom of the mercury level. Rajasthan is the place for those interested in Rajput history. You can also see views of the Aravallis mountains. Rajasthan contains some of the best places to visit in India. Jaipur, or the Pink City, is the capital of Rajasthan and a wonderful place to begin your trip. It is a home to a number of incredible architecture, including forts and many temples. Also in Rajasthan and worth visiting is Jodhpur, the so called Blue City that is the gateway to the Thar Desert, as well as home to the spectacular Mehrangarh Fort. Also known as the land of golden sand, Jaisalmer in Rajasthan is a beautiful city known for its rich cultural heritage. Udaipur is India's romantic white city. It wraps around four lakes, with Lake Pichola being the most popular. So I hope you will be excited to visit these places in India. And be sure to watch my video on travel tips before you head off. Happy journey and stay safe. Thank you.